My name is Craig Helen. I'm an interior decorator, and I'm helping ExpertVillage.com today talk about ways to decorate your walls and different types of objects to decorate with, and also how to even arrange them on your wall. So now that it's been a week or two after you've hung your artwork, and all of a sudden you're deciding you think it might be time to clean the house, things are a little dirty, a little dusty, how do you really go about no-brainer. But what's nice about this lint cloth is that this lint-free cloth is you can use it over and over again and wash it, so you're not actually polluting the environment, and it also doesn't leave streaks on your glass. Just step back and check your piece and adjust it somehow. Make sure it's level. Now then, go on to the next pieces. So you've decided not to have glass and use some things that are a little unusual, like this cross in this basket. Well, obviously you can't use any kind of water product on here. You'll take the paint and the finish off of these. Oops. So the easiest thing that I've found is to use other than a feather duster, which isn't going to necessarily do this, or one of the dusting cloths, which is going to get hung on the rough surface of these two pieces. What I like to use is a new, clean paintbrush. And basically you just brush it off like you're an archaeologist, and it just takes the dust right off, and you don't have to worry about it damaging the piece, and you won't have little pieces of lint in between hanging off like cobwebs.